So some time ago, somebody asked me how many pigs can you put in one plot of land. One thing about all these questions is that once somebody asks a question, if it's something I can make a video about, I'll try my best to make a video about it. So this is one of those kind of videos. So let me assume that the one plot you mean is 100 by 50, because here in the east, I know that our one plot of land here is 100 by 50. I've heard that some other places that their a plot of land could be 100 by 100. I'm not sure about that one, but I know that here in the east, one plot of land is 100 by 50. So if you are starting a pig farm and you have a small piece of land, probably 1 plot, 2 plots, 3 plots, or 4 plots, and you're asking yourself, how many pigs can you put on one plot of land? Now, from my own experience, like I always tell people, I talk about my own experiences. I don't really know what other people are doing. I'll just say the things that I've been doing and what works for me. So on one plot of land being 100 by 50, I try to plan myself in such a way that that land will comfortably contain pigs in a spacious way. Because I don't want a situation whereby I'll build a structure on a plot of land and I'll jam pack many pigs in one pen. That will make them to be, to have problems growing very well. Because a situation whereby you pack pigs together, there's going to be fights, there's going to be sickness, and there's going to be deaths, because pigs from fighting, they kill each other. So that's one thing that is assured. So it's always good that if you are planning your pigs, you don't over accumulate pigs into a small space, or else it will affect your pigs health-wise and growth-wise, and also it could kill them. So a situation whereby you have a plot of land, it now depends on how you are building your pens. For example, in my own farm, I have pens I built 12 by 12, 10 by 20. I have pens I built 10 by 10 too. So there are so many dimensions you can use to accumulate pens in your one plot of land. So let me assume that your 100 by 50, that you're going to build it in the dimensions of 10 by 5. 10 by 5, that's 10, the length will be 10, while the width will be 5. If you have 100 by 50, you divide it into 10, that will give you 10 by 5. 10 by 5 in terms of dimension. So how I like to plan myself is that a situation whereby I have a 10 by 5 dimensional pen, what I will do is that from common sense, the smaller pigs will stay more in that pen. There will be more smaller pigs than bigger pigs. If that pen will contain 2 big pigs, that means it can contain 5 small pigs because of their sizes. So for me, from what I've from the experiences I've had in building pens and constructing pens, I'll tell you that one plot of land can contain 50 mature pigs and 100 smaller pigs. But this 50, you don't have to make it up to 50. If you notice that these pigs are fighting too much, you can reduce it maybe to 40 big pigs and 70 smaller pigs. So it depends on what you are working with. So from that 10 by 5, 10 by 5 can take 5 mature pigs and can take 10 small pigs. So that's how I like to plan myself. So if you are building a pig pen, if you are building a pig house, just know that one plot of land can contain up to 50 mature pigs and also can contain up to 100 smaller pigs. So that's basically it on today's video. So that's it on today's video. Subscribe to the channel, follow me for more videos, and ask your questions. I'm always available to answer your people's questions. See you people in the next video.